we want to be able to deal damage with the axe. I think I'm going to do total damage, as in one hit kill. Right now we don't have it. I'm going to go to the trigger detector, the code, and we already have the line where we're getting the collision. Check colliding weapons. Here, I'm going to press Ctrl T, look for the Mario Stomp, because how that deals damage is kind of similar. Here it is, take damage. We use a bunch of info and relay that info to the character and kill it. I'm going to clean this up later on. For now, I'm just going to use it. We're not doing damage to a random body part. We know exactly which body part is colliding. Here, or the script itself is the collider. So we pass on self. Okay, the attacker is going to be the thrower. We don't really need the attacking part, but I'm just going to say right hand. And control takes damage. We also need the attack info. Instead of the Mario Stomp, I'm going to press Ctrl T, go to the damage detector. I'm going to create some public variables. I'll call it attack info, or just attack. One of them is going to be the axe throw. And instead of having the Mario Stomp attack here, let me move this. Wait a minute. I thought I put it in the damage detector. This is character control. Let me put it here. Okay, save all the code. We're going to fix some errors. So the axe throw attack, we're going to get it from the damage detector. Should have a few more. Mario Stomp. Again, we get it from the damage detector. Okay, that's everything. I'm going to go to the damage detector for the Sophie character. Here it is. Put in the Mario Stomp. Apply to the original. Now we need the axe throw. I'm going to go to the axe throw folder. Create the attack ability, player axe throw attack. And we're not going to use most of the info here. We are going to use the ragdoll force. I'm just going to put in some high number. And back in the damage detector for Sophie. I'm going to designate the axe throw attack. Apply to the original so it gets applied to everything. Let me click play and see what happens. Okay, we got the damage reaction, but not, I don't think the AI is taking any damage. Here for total damage, I'll use 3. And now if I play again, Okay, looks all right. Let me decrease it just a little. Okay, so we have the damage, the death, but obviously we still have a few more things to do. And I'll do more in the next video. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.